Hey Grand Forks homeowners, this is the local housing update for July 2023. I'm John Brodeen with Berkshire Hathaway. There are currently 136 residential listings on the market in Grand Forks, which is up from 122 a month ago. We had 97 new listings hit the market during June, which was the most so far this year. 79 homes closed, which was also the highest so far in 2023. We saw an average sale price of $308,000 and an average days on market of 69 days. The original list to sale price ratio on those closings was 98.99%. 59 homes went pending in the last month, which is also the highest so far this year. Interest rates are currently at 6.999% on a 30-year fixed rate conventional mortgage, which is up from 6.875 last month. Months of inventory increased slightly from 2.25 to 2.3 months. This is due to a lot of new listings hitting the market. But remember, anything below 5 months of inventory is still a seller's market, so this is still very low inventory. There are currently 23 homes active contingent upon home inspection that have accepted offers, and they'll go pending once they get past home inspection. Now, this is up only one from last month. So now that we're through the first half of 2023, June was the busiest month of the year for new listings, pendings, closings, and total number of listings on the market. May was the hottest seller's market of the year so far, with the lowest months of inventory and the highest original list to sell price ratio. So remember, if you're thinking of moving to Grand Forks, moving within Grand Forks, or moving out of Grand Forks, be sure to reach out to me first. If you don't want to miss anything, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks again for watching. This is John Brodeen with Berkshire Hathaway.